a tutorial and I will show you 8 techniques I use every morning after waking up to improve my face blood circulation and firmness of my skin instead of slamming the cream on my face. So let's start right now. Go! Yay! Yeah! Whew. Exercise number 1. Hold your hand like cat paws and place them next to the corner of your mouth. Then make circular movements and count to 20. Exercise number 2. Spread your fingers. Place your thumb under your jawline and with your index finger, hold your skin back. You can also add a circular movement. Count to 20. Exercise number 3. Vocal training. Exercise number 4. Suck your lips in. Count to 20. Tilt your head back. Count to 10. Exercise 5. For this and the coming exercises, you'll need facial cream. I use a deep moisturizing cream because my skin is dry. Apply the cream all around your face and massage into your skin gently. Do cat paws. Then hold them closely but not to your nose and wiggle them around. Wiggle, wiggle. Count to 20. Exercise number 6. Start moving your fingertips from the center of your forehead down to your collarbones. Hold for a few seconds. Repeat 5 times. Exercise number 7. Hold your index and middle finger together and swipe upwards around your mouth 20 times. Exercise number 8. With massaging movements, scoop side to side under your chin 20 times. Well, that's it guys. I wish you a lot of luck and fun. Well, see you guys in my next video.